Two more common messes to clean before modeling: rows that repeat, and values that don't belong. Duplicates and outliers. Look closely. Anna appears twice, the exact same row copied. Duplicates sneak in for merged files, double submissions, and buggy exports. Why remove them? Each duplicate secretly gives that one example extra votes, biasing the model toward it. Worse, it can land the same row in both training and test, quietly inflating your scores. One command fixes it: drop duplicates. Outliers are different, single values that sit far from the pack. Plot the incomes. Most cluster around 50,000. But one sits way out, at 500,000. How do we spot them automatically? Mark the normal range, say, within a few standard deviations of the mean, or inside the box of a boxplots. Anything that falls outside gets flagged as an outlier. Then you have three choices. Remove it, if it's clearly an error. Cap it, clip it back to a sensible maximum. Or keep it, if it's real and important. And that last part takes judgment. An age of 999 is obviously a data entry error. Remove it. But a customer who really does earn 500,000 is a genuine, valuable data point. Keep it. An outlier is not always a mistake. So, drop the exact duplicates, and investigate outliers before deciding to remove, cap, or keep them. Next, a subtler problem: features measured on wildly different scales, and how to fix it.